Well, a good few weeks ago, well, yeah, a month or so, um, I decided to make a strategy game, where you have your armies and stuff, and it was fine at first, but I got my link problems on, which is why some variables are randomly changing. Um, but here's the armies that I have in the game, and if I can try and manage this problem got here, the turning, there's some basic stuff that you can do, like if I can actually find the army. I'm telling them to move off there, you can see them moving. And if I press enter, what will happen is they will form a line. Line formation. Instead of the block formation which they were in previously. And if I press control, then shift, then they will spread out. Less chance of being hit by arrows and stuff. And then I can select the other group there on the unit card, tell them to spread out or go back together. I can tell them where to go in the world, and they'll move there. And there's not much else at the moment. There's trees which far away are billboarded and close up the actual trees. The grass fades in and out depending on how far you are from it. And this is all just to save FPS, and as you scroll in and out it will give you an aerial view if you scrolled out all the way. And that's pretty much that one. And then I have my application. I tried to completely recreate it, an object-oriented version, which has no bugs. So far it hasn't been completed properly. I'll just restart that in debug mode actually. Without debugging. All the problems in the previous one have been fixed, however, they haven't all been implemented, like all the features. At the moment, you can just move around. It's also got a different terrain system, and the grass isn't faded yet. I can fit a lot more in it. I've got a new system in this one, where everything is grouped. For example, if you look closely at the trees, you'll see that they're in their groups, like there's a group there, there's a group there, and the only other groups there, and the only measure from one point, for example, say this group has one point here that they will refer to, and then I get the distance from that point. If I am too far away, like if it should be billboarded or not, and from that specific point, I can tell if the whole group should be billboarded or not, rather than for each tree. And say if I have like 100 trees in each group, or something stupid like that, I think I've got about 10 or something here, then it will save 100 times the FPS. But basically, it's pretty much the same thing. The train goes on for a lot longer as well. and I can just move the units around. And the other thing that I was experimenting with this one was the configuration files. Here we go. I kind of copied the idea from HTML, which means that I can combine the lines together and I'll know where everything starts and ends. I don't actually need them on separate lines. That's just for visual aid. If I find it again. And that's what the system reads to know what settings to use in the actual game at the moment. And yeah, that's pretty much it for that one. I still have to finish it. That's what I'm working on at the moment.